Hold the dispenser with one hand to pull out the tourniquet and tear off one at a time. When applying, loop it around the arm, through the opening.
Make sure to stay inside the optimal pressure range.
To tighten, peel off the adhesive cover and grip outside the indicator area and close to the opening.
Then pull both ends to tighten. Stop when the red lines align.
Now lock the adhesive to the tourniquet while maintaining the tension
and fix securely by pressing along the adhesive.
Optimal pressure is now applied for an increased vein visibility, palpability, and size. Upon vein access, tourniquet can easily be released and removed with one hand. Dispose of tourniquet after each patient to ensure hygiene and reduced risk of cross-contamination.